section today. Very spa-like. Loving the cozy sculpted blankets, and I am really impressed. Look at that pretty hair oil. This one is definitely looking like Olaplex. Hi y'all, it's Glam Girl M, aka Emily, and you know what day it is. New Aldi Finds. It is Wednesday, January 15th, and we gotta see what's new. I am seeing that there is new Valentine's and of course new home finds that we have to check out. You guys loved the Valentine's Day finds last week, so fingers crossed we have another round of good Valentine's cute pink girly stuff. If you're new here, my name is Emily and we do Aldi Finds every week, and I help you figure out what's worth it, what's in the store, and what I bought to help you figure out what you want to. And as you can see, the cars are rolling in. We gotta go in there and check it out. Gotta make sure the carts are clean because it's definitely cold and flu season. Looks like we got some new flowers and plants. Those are really cute and nice. And here is the Valentine's section today. Not as big as last week, I will say, but there is some cute stuff that we can go over. First of all, some little stickers for the window, gel cling, Happy Valentine's Day, love, little hearts, and then little outfits for the kids. Now this print looked like it was in the sweater last week, so you could totally match your little mini-me here. All right, some signs. We have Happy Valentine's Day. Ooh, I like this one. Love me, kiss me, XOXO. Lots of little choices. This one even has a little greenery on it. Happy Valentine's Day. More greenery. Hello. Love. Lots of little cute signs. $7.99. Now, it is Gnome City over here. If you're interested in gnomes or collect gnomes, there's a lot. Chocolate. Love. Lots of different ones. So much to look at. This looks fun. A little Lego flower set. $14.99. Some leggings. Again, these look like they match the sweaters from last week. Some socks, really cute little gift. Look at this, have a little spa night. I think that headband looks a little too small for an adult, but those are super cute. I love these heart plates. So there's like mini ones and then a large one back there. Some fun earrings. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Valentine's Day. There is, I think it looks like 2 candles. So the Valentino candle, and then there's a pink one called Pink Roses and Bubbles. All right, you know the drill. We gotta smell the candles. This is the Pink Roses and Bubbles. Definitely smells kind of like pink champagne with roses. Right, the Valentino is definitely giving berry, fruity, also a little bit of bubbly. Loving how cute they are, and I love the size and the shape. These are super fun. Emery foam chair pad. That might be nice for work, home, in the kitchen. And they also have some bed sheets here, queen sheets, king sheets. That's really only the sizes that I'm seeing here. So I know a few weeks ago they had a few different sizes, but it looks like queen and king this week. Looks like some more storage, under bed storage, and a pull-out drawer. So I don't know where you would put this, maybe under a desk or something like that, but that's really neat. And then it looks like we have some more kitchen organization, large fridge tray, and you even get the stickers to organize, which is really nice and fun. Like I said, if I had an organized fridge like that, that would be really showing that I have my life together. All right, bath towels, kitchen towels, fun little sayings, coffee, all that good stuff. All right, into more of the kitchen stuff. We have a Belgium waffle maker, a toaster, a food chopper. We even have a cheese grater here, and I love the little silicone utensils. More silicone little storage to go boxes. A chef mat is what they're calling this, a Kirkton House chef mat. Lots of different neutral colors. Now I think these highball glasses are really nice. There's like a pink, the whitish clear, and a blue. And then they do have matching plates. Set of 4, set of 4. And I just love the texture. It's giving summer, spring, cookout, luau, birthday party, all that fun stuff. So these do say touch to smell. So sandalwood, very spa-like. Lavender. I love lavender. This one's super relaxing. I like this one.
Have you ever had essential oils from here?
No. I'm just smelling them.
I have like doTERRA and all the brands. I was just wondering.
Oh, okay. Yeah, $2.99.
That's really clean.
Right. Peppermint literally smells like spearmint gum. Wow. All right, they even got 2-in-1 electric wax warmer. Looks super sleek. Wonder what they mean by 2-in-1. No flame, no smoke, quickly melts. Cubes or candles. There we go. So you can put a candle on top of this. I've actually been interested in more candle warmers instead of using a lighter and all that. So that's really interesting. These are $7.99. Massaging heat wrap. That looks really interesting. And some new hangers. It's kind of been on my bucket list to get all of the same hangers. I need to do that right now. I just kind of have a mix of everything. Wow, hanging hat rack. Hat rack. Accessory hanger. Loving the cozy sculpted blankets. Lots of different colors, like a blue, a white, a tan, gray. They feel super soft, and I love a big blanket because sometimes you grab a blanket and it's just like small. It doesn't cover your feet, or you need more blanket to really warm up. So super soft. $14.99 for these, and I am really impressed with these comforter sets. I mean, I love just the texture. They even have kind of like a blue, almost like coastal looking one. They have king size, queen. I'm not sure if they have any other sizes, but to have a king and queen for $34 is impressive. They even have the bed skirts. Now this is what I'm really excited about. What are they duping here? It looks like the hair oil. Look at that pretty hair oil. Infused with honey extract. This kind of looks like they're duping. Definitely looks like a dupe of the honey infused hair oil. I will pop it on the screen, but wow. Look at this. Shampoo and conditioner, Bond Repair. And there's only one brand I can think of. This one is definitely looking like Olaplex. I mean, Bond Repair, hydrates, strengthens, repairs. Even the bottle looks similar. I would be really interested to see how your hair feels after using this. Eye primer as well as a moisturizing primer. $5.99. Fuzzy socks, all types of different colors. Pinks, blues, all types of different vibes here. And even a cozy dog sweater. I am always so tempted by the dog stuff because I have a little doggy Cookie, and I love to put her in sweaters even though sometimes she doesn't like it, but it definitely keeps her warm throughout the winter. I woke up and it was 1 degrees today, so super cute. Different sizes, extra small to an extra large, lots of different colors. You get the socks, doggy gets the sweater. Some ladies slippers. Those are always nice to throw on in the house, to have just some house slippers. Lots of different colors, black, blue, tan. Some door insulators, which is nice, different colors, lots of neutrals, which typically is the living room kind of colors. Just neutrals. I like this brown one. All right, they also still have some washable rugs from last week. Still have the hampers. This one looks new, a garbage can. And the pillows to match your new bedding. And they also have some decorative pillows. And these do match the bedspreads that they have. So you can get all new bedding, a whole new bedroom set up. You can definitely get a whole new bedroom set up right here from the Aldi Finds. On this side, they have a lot of the similar stuff from last week, but I am seeing some new things. I'm seeing some tier organizers here. I don't know if I saw those last time, but a little bit more kitchen organization. Seeing some diffusers. And really just seeing everything that we've seen in the last few weeks as far as bathroom organization, workout stuff, kitchen. So not missing out on much this week. The candy aisle and the Valentine's Day stuff is still popping, so very cute. They still have the Valentine's Day mugs. Okay, and then I didn't check this out last week, so it looks like there's strawberry shortcake goldfish. And they are giftable, so 24 giftable treats. Ooh, they even have Valentine's Day pasta. That's really fun and cute. Some K-cups. Look at all those fun flavors. Raspberry chocolate, vanilla, chocolate fudge brownie. All right, kind of looking in the grocery aisle, seeing if there's anything new that we can discover, but it's not looking like anything is catching my eye today. All right, you guys, the conclusion today is that I don't need anything. As far as the Valentine's Day stuff, super cute, but I don't need a new candle. I have plenty of Valentine's Day candles. The bedding, I just got more bedding from TJ Maxx, so if I would have known, that would have been great. But as far as everything else, I think we did great last week, and then we don't really need anything new this week. So if you picked out anything this week, let me know. I can circle back. I mean, if there's anything that you recommend, I would definitely check it out. So let me know. But this week is definitely a skip week for me. All right, sneak peek for next week. Kitchen updates, some more Valentine's Day finds, and kid-approved bathroom updates. All right, you guys, we're back in. This week, I just didn't feel like I needed anything, and I just want to be super transparent with you that sometimes it's just not a buying week and that you don't always need to go out and buy more. I just got some Valentine's Day candles from Bath & Body Works, and I just didn't feel like I needed any kitchen or bedroom refresh stuff. I just re-updated my bedroom. I would have loved that humidifier or some of the essential oils, but girl, I have stuff to use up, so I can always circle back this weekend when I do all my grocery shopping. But for now, I did not get anything. There was super cute stuff. Just trying to be transparent that not every week is a buying week. If you saw anything good this week or picked anything up, let me know. I would love to know. Sometimes I miss things and don't see it all. So let me know. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Join the family. Subscribe. We have a lot of fun over here. We do Aldi Finds, but we also do beauty, glam, and everything and anything pink and fun. So I will see you soon. XOXO. So, glam girl.